Hi everyone, how's everyone doing? Today we are gonna go on a short vacation. It's about time. It's as per the schedule. And we all wear mask right now, so our makeup time is reduced. Okay, so I want you all to join us in the trip and have so much fun. Okay, luggage check, gear bag check, snacks check, cat. No, not you. Yes, so everything is check. Okay, so first our destination is Jumeirah. Actually, the GPS and
No, you lost.
yeah, I'm actually lost. Anyhow, we'll get back to the track and we'll come back from the hotel.
Okay guys,
Okay.
we are lost again. Thanks to Mr. Fenzir Latheef.
I just want to see this place again and again. It's a really beautiful place. Okay, now that's the Burj Al Arab, if you all know. Our hotel is somewhere close by. I think it's right here.
Okay.
Finally, we are here.
Finally here.
Yeah! Okay, guys, finally we have reached the hotel. It's like, it took us like.
7 times?
No. Anyhow, we are a little bit tired, so we're gonna sleep. Gonna wake up fresh, have breakfast, and head to Laamar, Madinatul Jumeriah, and then some beach. Yep, that's the plan. So see you all the next day. Bye. Good morning, guys. Sorry, good morning. It's the time for our breakfast. There is no buffet apparently, so because of the whole COVID situation. So we have taken our order. We have ordered almost everything in the menu. So let's see how it is. Okay, we are done with the breakfast. Now we are heading to Laamar.
And Kites Beach.
Yeah, and Kite's Beach. Okay guys, so we are finished with the Laamar and the Kites Beach. It was such an amazing place. Hope you all saw it. It's really amazing. Now it's time for dinner. So we came back to the hotel and just freshened up a little. And now we are going to, hope you all heard about this one, Ijaza Cafeteria. It's in Jumeirah, by the way. They serve the best Hassan Matar meal. Should definitely check it out. It's totally amazing. I will leave a link of the location in the description, so you can check it out. You should try the Hassan Matar. Don't forget Hassan Matar. Totally amazing. So after like few minutes, we are gonna go there, have it, and then we are gonna go to the famous Madinatul Jumeriah. Yeah, so that's it for today. Okay, basically that's our cafeteria. We're gonna wait for our meal here, the Hassan Matar, as I told you, and let's see. Okay, so here we are. Let's open it. Okay, so we are gonna check out from Jumeirah, and our plan is we are gonna go straight to some shopping in Mercato. We do some shopping and then straight to we're going to watch the best sunrise of UAE. Hope you all know the Jebel Jaise. It's a mountain. So we are planning to stay there today, camp in the car, and watch that perfect sunrise. And she's ready also. So we're gonna go now. So it's a long drive, and we'll take small breaks in between because she can't drive, you know. So we have reached the top of the mountain, the Jebel Jaise. I think we are a little too early. It's just 8:30 right now, and Neha, she went looking for some hot water for making cup noodles. Yep, that's the plan for dinner today. We're gonna camp here in the car and wait for the sunrise, capture some shots, and then head back to the hotel, to City Max Hotel of Ras Al Khaimah. Okay, so let's wait. What else can we do? We're finally up for the sunrise. It's almost time. You can see the view. It's a bit windy here. It's starting to get cold. It's just here. We found the view perfect. We found the perfect spot. Like nobody's here. It's just our car, just us, and the sun. Hi guys, we have finally reached a hotel after the sunrise, and it's pretty neat, you can see. So we're gonna stay here for one day and check out tomorrow, and then go to a beach hotel, stay there one more day, and then check out the day after. Now that's the last day of the trip. It was a really great trip, especially the sunrise. I mean, I couldn't cover it much because it was too dark over there, but such a view, such a great place. The hotel Lemon Tree in Jumeirah, that was really great. 5 on 5. I would give it 5 on 5 definitely. The service, the food, completely. Cleanliness was great. Now this one, it's just we reached here, so I think it's not bad. Let's wait and see. Okay, so we're gonna take a small visit to the nearby places. Get back to you soon. So that's it from this hotel. We're gonna check out right now and go to the Bin Majid Beach hotel. There is nothing much here to see, just the Corniche and some few malls. Hopefully the Bin Majid hotel have a little more to see. I've heard they have one of the greatest beaches. So I will show you around beach. And about this hotel, this is the City Max. Service was not too great. I will tell you some of the bad points that I found. One thing, they didn't tell us where to park the car. So I parked it, and then I went to check in, and they're like, you cannot park your car. But I asked them where to park. They go to basement. Where is the basement? Come on, it's so confusing. I don't know. Little things, you know. But lemon tree, perfect. And the other thing I found was they let us carry all the luggage. There is no man. Little things. Otherwise, okay, it's not so bad. Hopefully the Bin Majid hotel is going to be fine. And if you like such type of video, do subscribe to the channel. I'm not a person who travels every day. But yes, I like taking traveling content. I like shooting the view and the, in a sort of a cinematic way. And I'm really exploring my new camera. So if you haven't subscribe to the channel and do support me. I really love doing this, making videos, editing and posting and knowing your reviews and everything. So that's it, guys. See you all in the beach. I'll be covering a bit of the beach. Thank you. See you.